If you manage enterprise IT, you already know the feeling. Your business needs to turn quickly to stay competitive, but your core operations are running on aging legacy systems that make every maneuver slow, heavy, and exhausting. Multi-year delays and budget overruns in modernization projects are rarely the result of poor engineering. These failures typically originate at the strategy level, shaped by urgency or assumptions, rather than the technical reality of the system. Under immense pressure to deliver, leadership teams often commit to a modernization path based on familiarity or internal bias, instead of finding the strategy that actually fits their unique landscape. That leaves IT leaders evaluating three standard options: refactoring the code, replatforming the infrastructure, or rewriting the system entirely. Each route carries a fundamentally different cost structure, operational risk profile, and long-term delivery timeline. Choosing the wrong path will dictate the organization's technical debt and its ability to innovate for the next decade. Before comparing these strategies, we must address the primary source of risk across all of them: the undocumented logic buried inside the legacy code. We can compare these options objectively by mapping them across speed, cost, and risk. Refactoring focuses on improving the internal structure of the existing codebase without altering its core functionality. This is ideal for systems where the logic is stable and valuable. It allows for incremental improvements without disrupting daily operational continuity or compliance. However, transformation here is gradual. Because you are working within the existing framework, deep architectural limitations often remain untouched. Replatforming offers a faster track. It involves moving the system to modern infrastructure, like the cloud, with minimal changes to the application itself. This provides immediate time to value, especially when trying to unlock cloud scalability or reduce the high costs of maintaining legacy mainframes. The trade-off is that you carry existing inefficiencies into the new environment. If code is poorly structured, replatforming simply makes that bad logic run on faster hardware. Both the safe and fast options leave core business logic unexamined, which is often insufficient for organizations requiring deep architectural transformation. Then there is rewriting, the complete ground-up rebuild. You replace the legacy system entirely, using modern, cutting-edge architectures and frameworks. This offers the highest potential for long-term flexibility and total business transformation, free from legacy constraints. But it also carries the highest risk. Rewriting is resource-intensive, and projects are prone to failure if critical, undocumented compliance rules are accidentally lost. This risk highlights a universal challenge. Many modernization decisions are being made with only partial visibility into how the system actually behaves. Estimates suggest that over 40 translating opaque legacy code into human-readable logic is essential for preserving critical compliance and operational rules. This documentation surfaces the underlying business purpose and specific processing rules. Having this logic in pseudocode ensures that critical requirements are secured before a migration or rewrite. Mapping these interactions also prevents teams from migrating broken or tightly coupled integrations that would degrade performance in a new environment. This sequence diagram visualizes exactly how components communicate. Seeing these flows clearly reduces the uncertainty inherent in any platform transition. While this discovery phase requires an upfront investment, it de-risks the entire project by replacing assumptions with verifiable system facts. Effective modernization strategies emerge as the natural outcome of deep system insight. Organizations in highly regulated environments with a low risk tolerance should prioritize refactoring, but only after mapping dependencies to avoid unintended side effects. If infrastructure constraints are the primary bottleneck, replatforming offers the fastest path, provided the system's internal interactions have been validated first. Where technical debt is insurmountable, a rewrite may be necessary. This becomes a controlled process once the core business logic has been extracted and secured. Often, a single monolithic strategy is not the answer for an entire enterprise footprint. Many organizations find success in a hybrid approach: refactoring mission-critical logic, replatforming for scalability, and selectively rewriting components that need a complete reset. Executing this kind of multi-layered strategy requires a clear view of every system dependency to keep all the moving parts in unison. Modernization success is built on clarity. By allowing verified system understanding to dictate the technical path forward, Organizations can transform with confidence.